Hey Jerry, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. The first thing that I see here, these call to actions are super helpful for your conversions. Something that I would recommend is adding more content to your homepage. And the reason is because Google has crawlers that are crawling 24/7. They're looking through this content for keywords, and you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority. And let's take a look at some keywords that you'd want embedded. One keyword is Foundation Repair Santa Clarita, and the first thing that pops up are these ads here. But if we scroll down, so this is the Google Map Pack section. And so I see that you're ranking here, which is super good. And so you want to stay ranking here because 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And then a lot of people will stay in the top 3 because they don't click on the more businesses. And the way to maintain this is making sure that you have more citations than these other businesses, keep up with their reviews and the photos on your Google business profile. So if we scroll down here, this is where your website would rank. This is the organic listing. And so you want to be at the top of this list as well, just because a lot of people do not go to the second page. And so the rest of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this section down here. So let's take a look at the #1 ranking website. I have them pulled up here. They have some good call to actions. They look like they have more content, but you could definitely beat them out with the content. But I have their URL plugged into Ahrefs so that we can take a look at the back end of their website and then compare yours as well. And so this is taken from Google data. So these ratings here, the UR and the DR, this is just talking about the trustworthiness as well as the authority of a website. And so what makes up these ratings here are backlinks. They have 3.49K, and those come from 630 referring domains. And so what a backlink is it's one website linking to another. And something to mention is that not all backlinks are created equal. If you have spammy backlinks, it can harm these numbers here. And then so you want good quality backlinks so that you can be boosting these numbers. So they have 13,000 keywords on their website. So let's compare yours. So here's a pretty good example of not all backlinks are created equal. You are just blowing them out of the water with backlinks. You have almost 32,000. But if we take a look, 35, 28, they had 40 and 26. So they are beating you here and you're just a little higher here. And so you want to make sure that you're getting the good quality backlinks to your site. And that way, these are actually working for you in your favor. And so you have 305 keywords. And so they have quite a bit more keywords than you. And so Google, you want to add some keywords to your website so that Google knows to connect you to what people are searching for. Let's take a look. Looks like these here are not buyer intent keywords though. And so what I'd recommend doing is finding all the keywords for all the service areas and all the services that you provide and add them to your website, as well as adding some more content there. And then making sure that you just stay ranking in the Google Map Pack section for all the service cities and services that you provide. And so if you need any help with any of this, I'd be more than happy to help you. And then I appreciate your time in watching this. Thank you.